So today I want us to talk about some support and resistance that I've been using, and sometimes I find like they are the best support and resistance. Apart from drawing the ones, whatever is going on, I think these are good guidance and you can use them or incorporate them to whatever you're doing. So this is what I do. You see, what I use is the previous day high, the previous day low, and the previous day close. You can use this with the weekly levels, but today we are going to be using it with the daily level because we can be able to identify a price change very quickly. So here, this was the previous day high. This is the previous day low, and this is the previous day close, which is here. Sorry, which is here. The previous day close is here. So these levels are the ones that we are going to be using for our trading. You can incorporate the EMAs to this. These are the 50 and the 200 EMA. The only EMA that I've added is a 20 because it acts as a good support for me. I need to know the immediate trend. So this can be a very good guide. It gives you your take profit levels. It gives you a place where you can make decisions at. Let's see, that is the current market, whatever is going on. Currently I'm not trading. Reason why is I've already achieved my targets. So for me, December is for relaxing and focusing on what I'll do next year. So here we had the previous day high. We want to see how the market responded to this level. We had the previous day low, is the low, is the low, and we had the close here. Here is the close. So you can see here and be like, how is this going to assist me to make decisions? So at this level, what I want to see an engulfing candle. It's going to assist me to make decisions. I want to see candle mini to assist me to make decisions. So what has happened here? Sorry, what has happened here? You see, in this day, my bias is still bullish. That is what I see. So if the 50 is above the 200 in the daily, in the 1 hour, I'm still looking for the same thing. I'm looking to buy. So, sorry, I thought I was drawing. So this is an engulfing candlestick. So here I would be looking to buy. But you see, this buy did, yes, it gave me some profit, but for me, I would be targeting here. This will be my target. And you see, if I took this buy and this was my target, I could have been taken out, right? So that is how I use this strategy. So let's go to the next thing. We come here, we have the previous day low, we have the previous day high. The thing is, I'm not going to grammarize trading because it's not, you cannot grammarize trading. It's a game of probability, and we have to have probability on our side. Even if you're going to be taking losses, ensure your losses are very minimal. So here, my bias is still bullish because the 50 and the direction, you know what we said about the direction. So my bias has not changed. So I just want to see bullish momentum take over during this point. So what happened here? We have the market was coming down at this point. I do not care for the sessions. The market is coming down, right? Then you have this bearish momentum is fully engulfed by the bullish momentum. We cover the bearish momentum completely at that point. Good point to buy, right? So for me at this level, I just want candlestick patterns to align, or a break of a break of structure here. You see this structure, sorry. Sometimes I think I'm drawing, but I'm not. So you see this break here. I'm also, this is something else to consider. There is a break here. This break, you know, it's a good break because you have your levels. Which are your levels? You have this level, previous day low, previous day high. You have previous day high. You have the close there. And now, what is your confluence at this point? You have this the previous, sorry, the previous day high, low, and close, right? So why would you be convinced to take this buy here? So you have the EMA indicating to you we are bullish. And what else? You can take a break of structure, and then you can take even this end gap ends. So you have several things. Whatever strategy you trade, it can incorporate these levels. So let's go to another one. We have the previous day high. We have the close. We close down there. And we have the low. They act as support and resistance at this point. So we have the low here. So we have a break. We broke, but for me, I'm not taking any sales because my bias is bullish. I just want a violation, any type of violation. That is what I'm taking. So at this point, we had a break here, a break of structure, which happened here. You see this level, this was the last high before this market came down. So we had a break there. And this candle was also an engulfing sell. So a break there, I take my buy. There you see, if my stop loss was very close, it could have been taken out, and a good re-entry. But the thing is, I don't care being taken out. You see, as long as I took with this break, I take a buy setup. You see, there was also another engulfing at this point. It's breaking my level, and then it's forming an engulfing candle, a retest of the engulf, and then the market pumped. So these levels, I'm waiting for candlesticks to confirm. Candlesticks can be a good guide to you. But one thing, never risk your capital. No matter, sometimes you will see a good setup, but the stop loss is big. Please conserve your capital. You will see, you see this whole price action, we can see how messy it is. So if you feel like the stop loss is big, leave that trade. Do not trade that trade. Just leave it. You will get a trade that is not so much squeezed. You will get something, but don't risk your capital, because this is your stock. This is your business. Why would you risk your money in something that you see like it's not a good setup, and then you're risking a lot of money? No, don't risk a lot of money. So let's go to a trending market. What can I see here? Let's start here. Now, did we do this one? We didn't do this one. We just come slowly. We have the high. So risking your money is not, don't lose your money. And if you have to lose your money, let it be some negligible amount, because this is your money. This is money that you have worked hard for, and you just don't give to the market just like that. Okay, those are some of the mistakes that some of us did. So this, the high, we have the low, we have the close here. So we want to see, I just want a candlestick pattern forming around my area. At this point, I said the market will sell, but I'm not taking any sell setup. So if you were to take a sell setup here, we have the close here. And I don't see the market retesting. This is a good engulfing sell candlestick. But for me, you know what I said. I'm not taking any sell setups. The market might be selling, but I'm not interested. We have, I'm not taking that because it is not also interacting with the resistance. We have a good break here, but it did not form a good a candlestick pattern. We have a break upwards. So for me, this becomes a place of interest because now when we are breaking, we formed an engulfing buy, right? So what I expect is if this market is going to continue going up, we have an engulfing buy here. I expect the market to come here and not close. We don't want to have a close here, and I buy. So we have a market that broke our engulfing buy, and then broke again, and then we have a retest of this engulfing. Since I'm buying, this is a good sign for me here. A break of this engulf again, and then retest and a buy. So for me, I'm not taking sells, and this is not because I have taken sell setups and they have ended up ruining my day. Whenever I'm trying to I want to short gold, so for me I don't short gold unless the 50 will ever close the 200 in the daily for my high time frame to be bearish. So we have this good trending day here. We want to see if we would have been lucky to get this one. So what do we have here? We have a high. Where's this high? We have previous day high here. We have a previous day low. And we have previous day close here. So we said we want the candlestick patterns to be forming as they're coming to our zones. We have these rejections, but for me, I would wait for this bearish momentum to be engulfed, which was engulfed here. But also there is an engulfing cell coming down here. You see this, an engulfing candle coming down here. So this would be good if it is violated. I will be taking a buy, and when I'm taking this a buy, I have my EMAs, I have my supports and resistance agreeing with this buy. I have the EMA, the engulfing violation, and the resistances. So that is a good confluence, and you see it give us some good amount. So I think that is it. In case you have a question, we can go to the weekly, or we can use the weekly. How